Hey guys, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. We are here in Texas. I am at my aunt's house. We're hanging out by her pool. Tomorrow morning we are going to Giga, Texas, and we're leaving at like 2 a.m. to get down there and meet up with maybe Joe Tegtmeyer, maybe Jeff Roberts. We're hoping that we can run into them, maybe ask them a couple of questions, get something on camera for you guys. So we're pretty excited about that. So that's on our agenda. It was a long drive out here. It was about 19-20 hours, but we did it just driving straight through and stopped at like 8 or 9 superchargers on the way. So kind of a fun trip. Made a couple more stops than I'd like, but that's the price of having an EV vehicle. And then we're going to be doing the same thing. We're leaving Giga, Texas, and then we're going straight back home from there. So another 19-20 hours, and then Tuesday morning we're going to have the video of the site at Texas, and we're really excited about that. Wanted to also talk about, I tweeted out a article from Car and Driver yesterday. So if you haven't seen it yet, and most of you haven't because I only have like 100 followers on Twitter, go ahead, take a look at my Twitter account. The link's down below in the description, and there is an article about Rivian, and we are super excited about this. It's talking about buying some property in Arizona for their next factory, where they'll probably end up building the R1 trucks, the Amazon delivery trucks, and it's 10,000 acres. I mean, that is enormous. For reference, Nikola's site's about 430 acres. Lucid is about 600 acres. Giga, Texas, the entire place is 2,600 acres, though the section that they're just building the main factory on is several hundred acres. So 10,000 acres is more than any auto manufacturing plant has ever done. And it's an absurd amount of space. But we know that they're going to build those two items in there. They're also going to have a battery production. And my theory is that they need some more space besides for testing. And you've got desert testing out there that you can do. They can make some crazy tracks if they really wanted to, because that is almost 16 square miles. But the last thing I think that they might put in there, and this is just me guessing, I found nothing on this, but is battery recycling. Battery recycling is big. You know, when you have a battery and it goes dead, the material in there is still the same material, so you can take it out and you can use it again. So if they could do something like that, and that's what they plan on doing, I think that would be a great idea. But none of this is confirmed. It's supposedly just in talks. They're talking with the governor, they're talking with the county, they're talking with the cities, because you know they got to get their tax breaks, and they'll get them because Arizona is very keen on bringing in businesses like that. So they'll give them what they want. We may go into this a little bit further in the future when we get more information, but we're looking forward to that, and maybe we can do some flyovers of Rivian. It'll be pretty exciting. So anyway, we'll see you guys tomorrow with another video, or maybe Tuesday morning, and that will be the Texas Giga one. We'll have the Nikola one also on Tuesday morning, so we got a busy schedule lined up for us. Maybe not so much in videos coming out, but you'll see. So we'll see you in a couple of days. Bye-bye.